we are facing a crisis, which is about climate change. You can see our mother is crying, and it's a very urgent crisis we need to solve. We need change. How are we going to do it? We need awareness. There's an evilness and an obstacle for us to do the decarbonlization. And this special political interest group, they fund the politician who stop the decarbonization and the environmental protection, which is for the profit of the oil and gas industry. And which means we need people as heroes and warriors for this mission. So how are we going to fight against climate change, and how the battle will work? This is Senate Shum. He says there are real challenges facing U.S. energy consumer. Sean Casson, he's a warrior to fighting against the corrupt special interest group who stopped the process of decarbonization and clean energy transition for their special oil interest. And why there's challenges, and what is good for the clean energy, good for both energy user and our environment, because we are going to find a cheaper resource for energy users. This is something else about social equity in the environmental justice. The solution from our company, our ammonia itself is something may replace for coal and fossil fuel. How it work? It breaking down the water molecules and the nitrogen molecule in air, and synthesize into the ammonia molecule with the hydrogen from water plus nitrogen atom from the air. And in this way, we will lead to zero carbon emission through our technology. We provide energy solution with ammonia combustion, tractor for green agriculture, ships, green trucks and other vehicles, green machinery for green constructions, green generators. So we already find a solution for clean energy transition which totally replace the coal and fossil fuel. Agriculture is a huge part about our planet, and it's so important because the population of the Earth is keep growing, but we have to make sure less carbon emission in our agricultural system. Here, wind and solar energy supply, and it generate with electricity, and electricity with ammonia station becoming the fuel what we can burn, and it's an ammonia station to fuel the ships farm machineries, and transportation vehicles. And in another way, this fuel can supply the power plant, and then we can use ammonia technology to do the carbon capture, and in the later part, through the green nitrogen fertilizer plant, to make it become the fertilizer used for crops and all this kind of agriculture or plants. So one technology with double use, with both energy supply and fertilizers. As we are a Chinese company trying to seek opportunities to collaborate with the stakeholders for energy transition and environmental protection, we wish for international collaborations, even there's disputes, and we in the issue like environmental crisis, we would wish to seek for agreements rather than disagreements, and building mutual trust during the collaboration. Biden said, if there's anything good for the world, we can collaborate together.